The new 7 Series is finally here and packs insane features you've never seen before in any other car. So, are the new updates worth spending the extra money over a used 2021 7er? Today, we're gonna find out exactly that. Not only is the new 7 Series completely new from the ground up, BMW is also offering a fully electric BMW i7. Watch out, Tesla. It's also available in a two-tone paint job similar to a Rolls-Royce and legitimately has a nicer rear seat entertainment experience than any car ever made. That's thanks to the 31-inch 8K display that folds down from the roof. The top of the line model is the M760E. It's got a twin turbocharged V8 and also a mild hybrid system, making a total of 571 horsepower. We also have the fully electric i7 that has a range of 388 miles, pretty much every bit as good as the Tesla Model S Plaid's range. Just as we've finally gotten used to the massive front grills, or maybe some of you haven't, BMW drops the bomb on us with new two-story headlights. That's right, we've got these really sharp daytime running lights that sit above and separated from the normal headlights. There's no doubt the new front design is polarizing, but honestly, I really like it. Particularly in M760E form, it looks imposing, it looks expensive, and it looks badass. The BMW will welcome you and say goodbye using backlit Swarovski crystals. It also has an illuminated front grille and even has these light carpets that extend from the doors with beautiful animations to welcome you walking up to your 7 Series. The side profile is clean and simple. It's not overly complex. We've got flush door handles, and like a Rolls-Royce, you can have optional self-closing doors. BMW is changing the game with this car, and of course we get that two-tone paint work. Wheel options range from 19s to 21s, then coming around to the back, it's strikingly BMW in design. Honestly, it doesn't look a ton different than the prior Gen 7 Series, but I love the uniquely shaped exhaust tips. The all-electric i7's design is designated by some light blue accents and looks inarguably better than Mercedes' Jelly Bean. I mean, EQS. BMW did it right. Why make your all-electric luxury sedan look radically different than your normal internal combustion engine sedan? The new S-Class looks great. The EQS doesn't. Mercedes, take note. BMW took the right approach, making the i7 and the new 7 Series look very similar. Get this, DC fast charging allows the i7 to charge 107 miles of range in just 10 minutes. Not bad, BMW. The most impressive part of the new BMW flagship sedan is its interior. We've got the massive curved display off the BMW iX and i4, and it looks phenomenal. Finally, we have a Mercedes rivaling interior from BMW. I've always been a massive BMW fan, but I can't deny it's been a little bit lackluster recently in the interior department, particularly compared to Mercedes-Benz. BMW did such a fantastic job of making it look incredibly luxurious while also futuristic and cutting edge at the same time. BMW's generous use of crystal controls throughout the interior, as well as crystallized trim, look truly breathtaking. There's also a limitless number of interior material choices to choose from. Steel speakers, ashwood trim, carbon fiber. You can even get the seats in cashmere. Yes, that's right, like your favorite sweater, your BMW can now be made of cashmere. The rear seat experience of the 7 Series is so breathtaking, it has me trying to justify why I need a second sedan in my collection. Not only do the rear seats recline and have these beautiful integrated leg rests that pop out, but it has this mega mansion feeling home theater system in the back that is truly like no car ever before it. Sure, you've seen small screens in the headrests or even complex folding screens in Rolls-Royces, but honestly, they're typically more of a flex than actually useful. The graphics are usually kind of low and the screens are small. But now, BMW is gonna have every single member of your family fighting for who gets to sit in the rear seats. The new 7 Series has a built-in 5G internet connection, as well as Amazon Fire TV, so you can stream movies and television shows in the back screen. But you can also do video conference calls on the way to work. Everything is controllable either via touchscreen on the massive display or these 6-inch iPad-like controls. You've got actual touchscreens in the doors themselves. Yes, there are literally screens in the doors. It's screens galore inside the new 7 Series. Also, for audiophiles, the new upgraded Bowers & Wilkins speaker system comes with up to 36 speakers. So your in-home cinema theater experience is going to be unparalleled in the back of your 7 Series. BMW has also taken the Sky Lounge panoramic roof to another level. Typically, there were these little LEDs, but now we have these light threads that look like nothing else I've ever seen before. Honestly, they're cooler than the Rolls-Royce Starry Night headliner, in my opinion. Performance-wise, the BMW 760e is quick, but it's by no means Tesla rivaling. 0 to 60 happens in 4.3 seconds. Quick for a luxury sedan, but the Plaid would literally look at it and laugh like it was going in reverse. The cool part is, because of the mild hybrid system, the internal combustion engine-powered 7 Series can actually travel 50 miles on all-electric charge. That's pretty awesome. The i7 comes with 2 electric motors. It's all-wheel drive and does 0 to 60 in 4.7 seconds. By no means slow, but compared to the Plaid and the Porsche Taycan Turbo S, it is kind of embarrassingly slow. It does have 544 horsepower, however. Have no fear, however, BMW claims they're coming out with the i7 M70 in the future with 660 horsepower, making it the most powerful production BMW of all time. 0 to 60 is surely going to be less than 4 seconds. Both the new 7 Series and i7 come with adjustable air suspension that can lower the car by 10 millimeters to reduce drag and improve fuel efficiency, and it can also raise the car by 20 millimeters to get over potholes and help you get in and out of steep inclines into gas stations or into your house driveway, etc. BMW is also offering rear wheel steering, where the rear wheels can turn up to 3.5 degrees in the opposite direction of the front to make it easier in town and around parking lots. It reduces the turning radius and also to improve stability at high speed. A cool feature, but definitely not quite as cool as the EQS's 10+ degrees of rear wheel steering. BMW also has its own form of autopilot, and it works up to 130 miles an hour. Yes, you can use partial self-driving on the Autobahn at speeds above triple digits. How insane is that? Obviously, it can maintain itself in the lane, steer itself, speed itself up, slow itself down with traffic. It also uses the GPS to determine that there's a sharp turn coming up and slow the car down and prepare it for that turn. Oh yeah, it can even change lanes by itself and park itself. BMW is releasing the i7 this November, a couple of months before they release the internal combustion engine cars on the street. And I myself am extremely excited. As a big BMW fan, I felt like BMW hasn't had that many vehicles in their lineup that were impressive in any given time over the last 5 years. But finally, they're starting to make some really cool back-to-back vehicles. And it has me wondering, do I need another really, really comfortable, luxurious daily driver like when I had the S-Class? Because honestly, that was such a joy to own. I'm curious what you guys think of the new BMW 7 Series and all-electric i7 in the comment section below. Is BMW raising the bar, and is it going to give Tesla financial troubles when everyone who loves BMW is suddenly driving an electric version instead of a Tesla Model S? I guess we will soon see. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Like always, please browse the channel and subscribe. I look forward to seeing you next video.